Everything you need is right in front of you, when you learn to see. Good things come to you. All you have to do is stop and take a look around before you intervene. Don't do anything. Come to all your senses. They'll tell you everything. First you have to learn to stop and take a look around. Take a look around. Listen to the sound. Why not take a whiff? You'll see much better if you use more than just your eyes. Take a step outside if you wanna know what your soil is like and what is gonna grow. All you have to do is stop and take a look around. Take a look around. Stick your hands into the ground. Don't be scared of the dirt. It isn't gonna hurt. And if you're braver, try the flavor. Yeah, get a handful of land and squeeze it in your hand. Check out the display. If it stays together, it's clay. And if it falls apart, well, it's sand. Yeah. Take a look. Read the landscape like a book. Interact, no impact. Get your feedback when you take a look around. Abundance will abound. The problem is the solution. Just depends on your perception. Change yourself before you change the world. Yeah, take a look around, on the inside and out. 'Cause when you observe yourself, you see everything else. Just make some use of it now.